Hello viewers, welcome back to my technology channel on YouTube, GTech. If you are a beginner in electronics or if you have started working with SMD components in electronics, this video is going to be a very interesting one and also a very important one. In this video, I'm going to talk about a special kit that is available in the market, and it is referred to as SMD soldering practice kit. And it's a very useful kit for all those people who want to start learning SMD soldering. So in this video, I'm going to unpack the kit and show you all the things that come with the kit, and also I will tell you about its availability and cost. So let's start. So here are a couple of kits that I purchased for my kids to learn SMD soldering. So I'm going to unpack one of them and let's see what all things come with the kit. So all the components are dummy components. They mimic actual components, but they are not actual components. So let's see what all things they have given. So okay, as you can see here, they have given a PCB on which you are going to mount these components and solder. So then they have given some resistors, dummy resistors, so you can solder them and practice. Then they have given some transistors, once again dummy, so you can practice soldering those transistors. Then they have given some diodes, so you can also practice with them. And finally they have given a dummy chip, okay, which you can once again practice soldering. So these are the things that they have given with this kit, so which means you can almost learn practicing soldering with most types of components. So I'm sure that if you practice with couple of these kits, you can definitely come to professional levels and start working with SMD components on any given board. So that is one thing. So the next thing is I have made a separate video and I have showed like how we can use reflow technique to solder these components, so you can look into that video. And also I told you that I would share with you like where this kit is available and the cost of this kit. So this kit is very cheap. I think I purchased it for less than 100 rupees or maximum 100 rupees. I don't remember correctly, but it's in that range. So for a very small amount, you can really get some very good soldering practice. So that is one thing. And where is it available? I purchased it online from a website called as Hacktronics, okay. And I think not only there, it's available at it's available on many electronics and hobby stores on internet. So you can search for SMD soldering practice kit, and probably you will reach somewhere where you would like to purchase it. So that's about the availability. So I hope this video was interesting and also informative. So if you like this video, please click on the like button. And also, if you want to receive notifications about my future videos, you can subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So bye for now. Thank you.